Today what we're going to do is I will be doing a tutorial how to make a personalized buds. Last night when I do the live stream, there was one guy who come to my live stream and choose the joint button membership, and he was surprised that he saw, or he was attracted rather, the personalized buds of my members. Now he asked me how to do, or how I did that one. So now guys, I will teach you the very simplest way. First, we have to go to PICSART. There you go. So this is the PICSART, guys. This is the scenario in the PICSART inside. So what we're going to do is we have to press this one, guys. This one, discover, and we will search here. As you can see, there's a search box at the top. For me, guys, I wanted that my members will be stand up among the rest. So I choose the brighter, the strong color. So I use the background yellow, and here we can choose the yellow, guys. The yellow background, we will choose the yellow background from here. Okay, now we have to choose at least one. Okay, now guys, in the buds it will show there like a square one. You need a square one, guys, the square size, because it will not be accepted if it is rectangular. So this particular size, this is the accepted one, or this is enough. But we cannot use this one, guys. Take note also that this is apply. We have to find out, or we have to choose the remix one. Okay, I will show you. This is apply, this is not one, this is apply also. This is the remix one, guys. When you found the remix one, you can use, but take note, guys, you can use it, but it's not possible because I don't like the color. So we have to find another color that would be possible. I guess this one is enough. Okay, now once you get this one, the size is very equal. The size is very equal. Okay, now I will make it as my personal buds because I like the stunning color, the very strong color. So, and since this is also remix, we have to press the remix. Okay, once it goes up, there you go. Now you can see the screen is black, and the lower part of here, guys, you can see there are a lot of tools. You can choose here whatever you want. You can do the effects, sticker, or whatsoever. But for me, guys, I will not touch anything there because I wanted to have the simplest way how to make the buds, like the VIP buds. Okay, so I will choose now text. So text, you have to press the text. There you go. And now this is now the appearance. Since I already make, guys, the VIP word there is already saved, so I have to press this one. Okay, and press this check. There you go. So now it's already selected there, guys. The font is different. Now we will choose different fonts, a lot of fonts here, guys, that it's changing every now and then once it's highlighted. You can see that. Yeah, there you go. So now from now on, guys, you have to choose which is you like, or you are comfortable to look at, or it's the style you like. But for me, I have to choose the simplest. Yeah, here we go. So now, guys, you can have it there. Now you can see that it's very simple font. Okay, now you have to press this side, guys, to make it bigger. This side, you have to drag that one, guys, to the limit, yeah, to the edge. Ayan. Press and press until, so I guess it's balanced now, guys, the both side. Now we have to bring it up. Put your finger in the center. There you go. And you have to drag this one, guys. This circle, the small circle here, and going down and make it balanced. There you go. So it seems that it is already in place. Now the next time, guys, because if you look at this one, it's not a very strong color. It will not be identified because it's white, and the screen sometimes are white. So you can change that. We will put stroke for that, guys, to highlight the BIP word. So now I will choose the stroke. We will put the stroke, this one, guys, and press the stroke, and we will choose. So now it's automatically turns into black, but I have to choose. We can choose the different colors you want, but for me, guys, it would be like this one, BIP. So there you go, guys. It's highlighted the BIP, and you can choose also, guys, to adjust the VIP. You can do like this or whatever it is, but for me, guys, it's possible for me. I will go to 35. Now since it is 35, guys, and the upper and the lower part, as you can see, the lower part, guys, the edge is going up, so I have to choose to adjust it here. Okay, and this one, guys, I will bring it up. Yeah, so it has the edge now. It's easy, and you have to make it balance in the other side. You can adjust the position anytime, guys. There you go. Now it's already have a stroke, a very strong color. Now I want it to be a stronger, and it will be highlighted wherever the member will go in my live stream, because I wanted my member to be stand out in my live stream. So what I'm going to put there, guys, I will choose, we will put color. Okay, we will put color to the word BIP. So what I wanted the color, guys, the combination itself is I will choose black. There you go. As you can see, guys, it's already highlighted, and it seems like a very strong color. Whenever it will be placed in a white screen or red or dark, it will stand up what I had happen, what I made in my live stream. So there you go, guys. We already have chosen the best or the simplest. We are choosing the simplest buds we have. Now we will save this one, guys. There you go. Just continue the arrow. There you go, guys. So when it's the screen showing like this, you have to press save, and then another save. It turns out like this, and now you have to press this save to gallery. Save to gallery. Ayan. Where now we will check, guys, in our gallery if it is there already or not. Now you have to go to library, and you have to go to PICSART. Yes, there you go. Now we already have this one, guys. It's already saved. So once it is already in the library, guys, you can upload now your buds, so your member have their personalized buds. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. This is Purestoneheart. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and bell all for the notification of my next upload. Like and share. Thank you.